Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this classic bacon syrup sweet and sour pork. This is Ready Cuisine, and this was at Costco. So let's, I'm gonna do a quick review of this. And let me show you the nutrient panel and the ingredients. So here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's the ingredients right there. If you want to read it, pause the video as well. Yeah, it does have food dye in there, so just be aware of that. Alright, be right back. Okay, so here it is. I cooked it up, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. Made some broccoli with it, so let's do a quick taste test of this. There it is. It's good. It tastes like sweet and sour pork that you get at like a traditional restaurant. So yeah, it's decent. Alright guys, definitely check it out. If I had to choose between this one or the ginger beef one, I'd prefer the ginger beef one. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos.